Hello everyone. So this is your one Selenium assignment. So what you have to do, first you have to open Amazon website. So once you will land on the Amazon website, you have to search some text here. So if I write OnePlus, just you have to write one. So you will get couple of options like this. Once you will get the option, you can select. You have to select this OnePlus Nord 5G phone. Once you click on this list will appear. So from all the list, you have to select the second item which is coming, right? So this will change, right? So basically these things are dynamic. So in the future, uh, there might be some other mobile phone coming here, but you have to select the second one. So once you will click on this, it will open this mobile phone in the new web page. So basically what you have to do, once you will land here, you have to compare, you have to get this number in your, from with the help of Selenium code. You have to get this number whatever it is written here, price basically, and you have to compare that whether this price, so you have to get the price from here first and store that in one variable if you want, and from this as well you have to get this price. So once you will get this price, basically you have to compare whether the price, this price is similar to this one or not. So this is your first assignment. Okay, and if I talk about one more scenario, so that is basically your assignment number 2. If I first you have to open the eBay website, so you can open directly from the URL. So once you will open this website, so you have to search mobile. So once you will search mobile, you have to click on this. You can click on the second one. Okay, so you have to click on mobile phones. Now once you will land on this web page, you have to click on this unlocked, and after that you will see this screen. So here in this, you have to compare whether this number 133468 is equal to this one or not. So again I am saying that these websites are dynamic, so these numbers might differ. So as of now, if these numbers are equal, so you can write something that the website is correct, or you can, with the help of if else condition, or if these two are same, sorry, if these two are different, these two numbers, you have to get the text of this number and this number, and you have to basically compare. If the numbers are different, you can say that your website is incorrect, otherwise website is working correct. Okay, so this is your second assignment. So you can submit in the Google Classroom after completion of these two assignment, and I will help you if you will face any difficulty. Okay, so thank you.